So hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'll be discussing about HCL Recruitment Drive 2021. So HCL is hiring for the role of developer. That means the software developer or the product and the platform development. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe. And also in the last video we discussed about the Hero Skills Recruitment Drive 2021. So Hero is hiring for the role of graduate engineer training or the GT profile. So if you are interested for this off campus as well, you can apply for this off campus. So I'll be putting the link of this off campus in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply. And also right now RB is hiring for the role of business analyst, and the Red Hat is hiring for the role of remote exam support intensive or the support engineer. So I'll be putting the links of the latest off campus drives as well in the description of this video. So please go through the description so that you'll be able to apply for the other off campus drives as well. So now let's discuss. So this is the career portal. So they're hiring for the developer or the software developer, and the job posted was on 23rd February 2021, and the job role is active right now. That means you can apply for this off campus, no issues. And they're hiring for the Bangalore location only, and experience required is 0 to 2.5 years. That means fresh graduates are welcome, they can apply for this off campus. Maximum 2.5 years of experience required for this off campus. And if you ask me regarding the batch or the year of pass out criteria, any batch or the year of pass out candidates can apply for this off campus, because they have not specified any year of pass out or the batch criteria here. That means starting from 2017 or 2016 to 2021 can apply for this off campus, provided you must be having 0 to 2.5 years of experience related to this field. Then job family or the job category is the products and the platform department or the platforms development. So now let's discuss about the job responsibility or the job description. So to develop, deliver, test and debug the code engineering plans as per the product management agreed prioritize for the work assigned to the according to the work assigned to you. Then to develop the code and plan to meet the product and process requirements with appropriate guidance from the team leads or the project owners as per the agreed use cases and the timelines. So to document the assigned work in the stages of the product and assure the timely communication to all the impacted areas. So these are the basic responsibilities. So later you can go through all these things. So now let's discuss about the qualification and the skills required for this off campus or particular job profile. So qualification required here is the Associate of Science BTech, like computer science background or the related field candidates can apply for this off campus. Then skills required or the primary skills are like technical skills, web technologies and the HTML. So this is the primary or the key technology required for this off campus or the key skill required for this off campus. So total number of open position is only one. So this is the bad thing, because minimum of 10,000 people or the candidates will be applying for this off campus, but they have the one open position. But no worries, you can apply for this off campus. So later whenever they have any requirement or related to your which is suitable to your profile, definitely they will be sending you the email or the further selection process details. So job expires on 25th March 2021. So before to 25th March 2021 you need to apply. So if you are interested for this off campus, you simply need to apply to job button here. After that you will be able to apply. So after clicking on that, it will take you to the official or the career portal. So here what you need to do, you need to sign in into their account or the career portal. So if you don't have any account created previously, you need to first don't have an account yet, then it will take you to the sign up page. So like email address you need to provide, password you need to provide, re-enter password, security questions you need to set, then question 1, question 2. So 3 questions are the mandatory. So you need to provide all the 3 questions. Select like what is your name of your first school, you need to provide, then you need to type the answer. So after that you need to click on the continue. So it will be taking more than 10 minutes, so that's why I am skipping this part. like account creation and the application process. So it's a easy process. You need to attach your updated resume, then automatically the system will fetch all the details. So I hope you will be able to apply for this off campus by yourself. So apart from the application process, if you have any doubts regarding this off campus, please let us know by commenting your doubts in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.